The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee announced on the 1st of July 2024 that it will honour newly elected Lok Sabha MP Saleng Sangma on Saturday the 6th of July 2024. Following discussions with the Youth and Mahila Congress wings, it was decided that the event will take place at the Soso Tham Auditorium at 2 p.m. This was confirmed by MPCC Working President Pynshngain Syiem today. Former Gambegre MLA Saleng Sangma of the Indian National Congress recently won the Lok Sabha seat from Tura by defeating NPP candidate Agatha Sangma in the elections held on 19th April 2024.
We are happy to inform you that the MPCC, in the presence of the Youth Congress, the Mahila Congress, in the meeting held today, we had unanimously decided to organize a felicitation program for Shri Saleng Sangma, the newly elected member to the Lok Sabha from Tura seat on the 6th July 2024 at 2 p.m. in State Central Library. For this felicitation program, we cordially invited all the leaders, the party workers from the MPCC, the DCC, the BCC, the Youth Congress, the Mahila Congress, and all the well-wishers to come during this program. Thank you.